Hello and welcome. This is Ruth, and today I've got the Soaring Dragonfly die set, which is actually the small die of the month for Spellbinders for January 2025. It's really, really beautiful, and I want to show you the dies here, and then I'm going to make a card with it. But don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell, and you'll be able to see lots more of these. You'll be able to see several more of the clubs and different things down below there. So if you want to check out the description below the video, you'll find all the details about the clubs and anything else that you might need to know, and my affiliate links will also be there. So it's free to subscribe, and my affiliate links don't cost you anything extra either. Now, I want to have a look at this, and then I'm going to make something, and I think I'm going to go for fairly bold colours first because I've already been die cutting and I'm just ready to roll with this. So this is the base body shape, and these are the base wings. So you'll need to cut this out and this one out, and then the rest of these are decorative. So I'm just going to show you it here. I've got this one cut out in plain black card here, and then I have actually got 4 of these other wings cut out like so. And well, I'm just going to hold on to those for a minute or two to see which way I'm going to place them. It'll be like that. Anyway, this die here then is the piece that goes on top. So if you cut that out, you're going to get this shape. I've cut that out in some shiny card. It's black gloss mirror card, and I'm going to layer it on there for a kind of a subtle effect. And then I am going to add the little head on as well. And I've cut that out in black glitter card, and that's from this little die here. Tiny little die, but that's important, and you can put it on there. So I'll glue all of that together, and then I'll have a little look at the wings, because that's the most important part. Now, as I said, this is the basic shape for the wings. You'll need to cut that die out to get this here. And then there are 2 options for how you want to decorate it. So you can add these pieces, which will give you striped wings, or you can add this one, which gives you the kind of little veiny wings. And I'm just going to show you what that cuts out like. So that will be the large one, and then that's what the smaller one looks like. But I have actually gone ahead and cut those out in black. I wanted to use the black shiny card again. It's that mirror card. I'm going to put these on, as I said there, and then going to paper piece some colours in. So I have picked some beautiful coral and a lighter shade of card to do that with. And I'm just going to show you what I've done. I've actually die cut the pieces 3 times. So I've done it in the black, and then the lighter colour, and then the darker colour. And each time I've just popped them into their own little container for each little wing, so that I know exactly where all those pieces are to paper piece back in again. And I've got some pieces here as well, and I'll show you the 2 that I've already done, because I've just gone ahead with these, and aren't those colours gorgeous together? So now I can just start and add these together into the wings, and you can watch while I do that, and then we'll assemble it. Now I'm going to attach the wings to the body by just putting a little bit of glue on here and popping those in behind. So they just go in behind this little top part of the body, like that. I've taken the embossing folder for the month for January 2025. It's called Faceted Petals, and it does kind of look like petals. It's obviously little flowers, but it's quite generic. It's not too uh, sort of distinct a pattern, so you can use it for all sorts of things. Look at that, isn't that really lovely? So I've cut that out, and then I have got some double-sided tape on the back, and I'm going to attach it to some black card here, and then I'm going to attach that straight onto the card front, and that makes a really, really gorgeous background to put this dragonfly on top of. So I'll just pop, this is a top fold card, and I'm just going to pop that right on there. And you don't really want too much black showing, because then it's kind of, well, it pops out just a little bit too much. So I have now got some 3D foam pads in the back of this. I'm just going to take all of the release tape off and then attach this on, and you'll see how well that stands out after that. It's really nice. I'm just going to attach this to the card here, but I'm just thinking as I'm doing that, whenever you paper piece those pieces in and you're putting all the little parts in and the glue and everything, just remember you've got loads of other pieces that you can just go ahead with and make your next card, because it's definitely not a waste of time. You're die cutting 3 there just to get 1, and you've also got the pieces left over, so that makes gives you a really good head start on your next card. So I have got the hello cut out here, and it's in the black shiny mirror card as well, so that all ties together with the body of the dragonfly, which I don't know if you can see, but it's really lovely. And I'm just going to pop that on up there, sort of halfway between the top and the bottom. Now I've also gone ahead and cut out some of the little flowers and the foliage as well, and these are here. Now I'm just going to show you how I've done that. So these are the little leaves. There's 2 of those, and then you'll also get the little flowers, and you can cut 6 of those out at one time, and then you can cut out the little centers like that. But I'm actually just going to go ahead and glue the flowers onto the little top parts here, and I'm not even going to cut out those smaller parts, because I'm going to put some, let's just see if that holds okay. Yes, it does. I am going to put some crystal drops into the center, so I've got some white gloss crystal drops, and I didn't want to put the black because I thought the white would just look gorgeous with that. So whenever I get these on here, then I can see where I want to position them on my card. But I definitely want some flowers on that card. I've glued one of these down here, and I'm going to glue another one on there, and then I'll possibly add some of the others up onto the wings of the dragonfly. So we'll just see how this looks, but I wanted to balance that with this, so I'm going to pop that right in there, just in behind that little flower a little bit. There we are. Yep, that looks good. So I've put little flowers up here and then a couple into the wings there, and that's quite a striking card. But I thought I'd love to make another one, because dragonflies are so ethereal and so light that I wanted to make one with some vellum. And I've got some silver vellum in here, and I have used holographic card for the actual dragonfly itself there. And it almost seems a shame to glue that down, but I'm going to do it. I've got a little card here, and I have got some of the paler flowers there and the little hello. And this time I think I'm going to pop it up here. We'll see. Hello there. No, actually, I'm going to put it this way and put the hello down here. Yeah, that's it. Sorted out. And then a few of these up here. And I actually dithered. I wasn't too sure whether I wanted the background of this to be the sort of paler coral colour, or whether it was supposed to be that but I think I've got the right balance there. You can let me know. I'm sure you will, but I do actually appreciate hearing what you think as well. So I really wanted to capture that in these sort of vellum wings there. So now I'm going to put hello down here and the little flowers up there, and that's me finished. Even though I've used some similar supplies on those, I think the cards are quite different, and I'm sure you'll have a favourite. I'm actually finding it hard to pick a favourite. I'm always drawn to sort of bolder colours that stand out when I'm making cards, but I think that might sometimes be just because I am sort of thinking of the thumbnail of the video. I'm thinking of what the card will look like when you look at it, but I really, really love that delicate touch as well there. So do let me know. And don't forget to come back and check out more. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell. You can share the video if you like as well. Any way that you can to try to help promote my channel. I really appreciate that. But if you have time, it really, really does help if you leave a thumbs up, and even more so if you leave a little comment down below. But even so, thank you very, very much for watching, because I always appreciate that too. And my affiliate links are down below in the description of the video. And until next time, happy crafting. Bye bye.